Welcome to the workshop.
Perfect. Come on in, travelers. This is it. You made it.
Hey guys.
Oh, all right. One more time.
Nice. All right, looks like we're all in. I say we begin. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, first of all, I'd like to say to each of you, you've done it. Welcome to the workshop. And I see you've met a few of my companions already. Tara, thank you for guiding them in safely. Next to me here, Sean. Over here by the door, we have Jenny and Amy. And as leader of this group, you may call me Kembe. But I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, wait a minute, Kembe, what did we just walk into? This all looks like a lot of old junk. Well, let me assure you, some of this is new junk. Now, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. And what we really do is we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We travel to the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, that is what we smuggle and hide here among our junk. So just in case a stormtrooper comes in, well, they would just see junk and crates against the walls and hopefully move along with their patrols, right? Now, before we go any further, I must ask you this. You have heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes, good. Well, we hear there's another, a new Jedi, and she has been spotted right here on Batuu, and her name is?
Rey.
Rey, that's right. And what she's leading is the spark of hope we, the Gatherers, have been waiting for. Which is why you're here. To build one of these, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and most powerful enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, as you construct your very own lightsaber, you will feel its connection. But where do we start? Where do we begin? I'm glad you asked, Sean. We begin with perhaps the most important element of any lightsaber, and that is the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. You see, the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's plasma blade. Maybe you know some of these colors from history. Legend. Blue, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi and his young apprentice Anakin Skywalker. And now legend has it perhaps Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and eventually Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by the Jedi Order's greatest swordsman, Jedi General Mace Windu. Red, it has been called the color of power, and it's the crystal. Darth Maul, Sith assassin Asajj Ventress, Darth Tyrannus, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you, the future, to look ahead. So now it's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, which will be the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, in this moment before you choose, I need you to clear your mind. And to help you out, I want you to close your eyes and picture in your mind's eye the colors I will mention out loud once more. Blue, green, violet, red. And you will notice one color shines brightest. That color calls out to you. So now, open your eyes and select your kyber crystal. Remember, this will be the heart of your lightsaber. Now, builders, after you selected your kyber crystal, carefully place your kyber crystal on the green crystal holder at your station. We will now connect your kyber crystal to the lightsaber design you have selected. You will, of course, begin by building your very own lightsaber hilt. Now that will be the foundation of your lightsaber, the center of your control, and the only thing keeping your hands from being disintegrated. You can always get new hands with your original hand. take a look at your boxes. In each box, to the far left, you'll see what is called your lightsaber's chassis. All the way to the far right, you'll see activation plates and your controls. In sections 1 and 2, 4 different types of grips or sleeves. Section 3, your very powerful blade emitters. And Section 4, your pommel caps. Now, you will choose each piece to create your own unique lightsaber hilt. Please turn your attention to the final gatherers standing in front of you. They will guide you. So now, it's time to build.
Right, sons, welcome. My name is John and I'll be your guide here today. So, told him our chassis just like that. It's going to be top, bottom, start right in the middle over here. These blue and red squares that talk about later stuff. For the first part, I'm going to demonstrate. What I like to do is take the more narrow pointed part to push up into the spring on top for the bottom as far as you can. To push up to the bottom, slide it forwards or backwards. That way you can see it light up and you'll click the center key. It stops the place there. You go ahead and rotate the spring.
What we're looking for here is that just a basic end, so you can twist it without it falling out.
Seems to be holding it pretty good. You got the right idea. Just keep it nice and steady. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Let's go to number plates. Either set's going to wrap around and protect the crystal there. Once you have the set you want, look underneath. Blue and red squares on the inside, line with those on the outside. So blue snaps and blue, going to push it. Red and red, give it a nice squeeze. Let's go ahead and slide out a switch there. There you go, that's what we want here. Yes, you can't make the matter right up. Try flipping it the other way. Alright, give it a little squeeze and just slide up. Excellent. Now we'll go to columns 1 and 2. We have our 4 sleeves here. Out of the 4, you get to pick 2 of them. So it doesn't matter where they are on the tray. You can put it at the bottom like that, or the top like that. Push in and rotate right clockwise until they stop in place. Alright, do both sides.
You're going to look for red.
Yeah, that was a little tricky. Gold ring goes on the outside there. There you go. Keep going that same direction. Perfect. Now that we have that, we'll choose our emitter from 3. One of them will sit on top, rotate right.
I mean, they're the same pair, so it has to be a red square and a blue square. That one's red, so you need a blue.
Alright, and last but not least, one pommel cap for the bottom on the other side.
It could be any shoes, doesn't matter what's sitting here in your box. We're going to slide one on other activation plates. We're going to test out that activation switch by
Very nice. How do you two like your design? Good?
Love it.
Excellent. Alright, let's place them both on the stand. I'll do the final inspection. Go right to left here. Very similar, but quite different.
Slide one in from the top and the second
I
one.
kind of resemble something Jedi from the cast. Someone respect his phone very much.
On the silver band.
Oh, that's a fast build. Already, you see that?
Slide down here for the rest. Oh, careful the team fire.
We're going to press in toward the center and twist it.
Yeah, once again, I think the Jedi Council will be pleased.
Oh, that's fantastic. I like that right there.
10 bases activate, slide up on the switch here. Slide down, you're going to deactivate. Congratulations.
Very aggressive with the photo cap.
It's really heavy.
How we doing on the end here? Well done.
And then final piece will be here in row 4.
But they're very different, right? Especially the journey that has in each one of your hands, that's different, first of all, right? And of course the kind of position color, purple. And you blue, look at that. Purple and the blue. Blue, the crystal of the guardian of the force. And purple, representing commitment, petition, also passion. Like a little bit of red in it, but a little bit of blue. Balance is important. Congratulations. The hilts of the Jedi of the Republic Well done. With the gold rim at the bottom. You see that down there? That pays tribute to a time known as the High Republic, when a lot of lightsabers had that gold polish. Congratulations.
Now when somebody says activate, go ahead.
How are you, my friend? Is it your birthday? Yavu Mapu Day. Sounds like I'm yelling at you, but it's happy birthday. Yes, indeed. Tell me, what color crystal? Purple. Another very rare crystal. Very nice. Nobility and passion. Well done. And on here, what color is your crystal? Red. Power, passion, strength. May you find that within the Force. Good luck. Builders, I want you to hold your lightsabers in your hands right now. Yes, indeed. I want you to feel the weight of your lightsaber. It is said that your lightsaber should bring you strength in battle, yet humility in retreat. What is your name? Hey, may I see your lightsaber? Look at this. Now down there, I told you your lightsabers had the gold rim, right? Representing the High Republic. This lightsaber in its entirety represents the High Republic. A lot of gold there, Elliot. This is a very traditional lightsaber from a very long time ago. Be proud when you wield it, okay? Fantastic. Now, we're about to move on to a very dangerous stage. I will ask you to place your hilts back in your saddles. And you will then carefully step away from your stations against the walls. Please stay in that location until I, Kembe, call you forward once more. All right, we will do one last check of your lightsaber. We will check your focusing levels. We will check your power insulators. And then we will place your lightsaber hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. And from there, we will attempt to stabilize your kyber crystals so you may activate your very own lightsaber. Now let's go back to the heart of your lightsaber. That is the kyber crystal. As you know, kyber crystals are very rare gems, found in nature and also found very clear. But once touched by the Force, they take on their colors, each one unique in its own way. Maybe you chose the blue kyber crystal, the crystal of the guardian of the Force. Maybe you chose red, power, passion, strength, green, counselor, and of course violet, nobility, passion. Know that your kyber crystal is your true connection to the Force itself. There are many legends that surround.
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Whoa. Master Yoda. Yes, it is indeed time. We are at the final stage. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a few moments, I will ask the builders to move forward. Then, I will ask you to place your hand on your hilt. And on my command, and in tradition, you will activate as one. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Please, move forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Raise your lightsabers high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like that, you can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Well done. Now please, deactivate your lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Grand Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands, your remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to help protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with the saber sheath. And wherever you see that symbol, our symbol, we remind you of the knowledge we've passed on to you today. Because our time here is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you are just as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you've just built. So one last time here in this workshop, please raise your lightsabers and activate. Till the spire!
Till the spire!
Well done. Please collect your cargo. You'll all exit safely through those doors. We'll let you